In this video, we are going to see about interproximal brush. So what are the synonyms for interproximal brush? Proxa brush and interdental brush. Proxa brush or interdental brush or other synonyms for interdental brush. So interdental brushes are cone-shaped or cylindrical brushes made of bristles mounted on a handle or small cylindrical brushes. So interproximal brushes also called as proxa brush. In case of type 2 gingival embrasure, interdental brushes are the best choice for plaque removal. We have to remember this point. In type 2 gingival embrasure, we have to use interdental brush for best choice for plaque removal. And what are the uses? Interdental brushes are used as interdental cleaning aids, and interdental proximal brushes can be utilized to clean spaces between teeth and around furcations, orthodontic appliances and fixed prosthodontic appliances with spaces that are large. So mainly the purpose is cleaning the plaque between the teeth and also clean the space between the teeth and around the furcations area and orthodontic appliances and large embrasure spaces. And interproximal brushes are also used to apply chemotherapeutic agent into interproximal areas as well as furcations. So interproximal brushes are preferable to clean between the teeth where the papilla does not fill embrasure space. So these are the conditions we have to use interproximal brush or proxa brush. Mainly it is a cleaning aid. And what are the advantages? They are easier to use than dental floss. They clean the concave root surface and furcation areas more efficiently than dental floss. So easier to use than dental floss. What are the disadvantages? Trauma to the teeth or gingiva from sharp wire center of some interdental aids, and different types may be needed to fit different open interproximal spaces. So these are the disadvantages. So we need different types and different sizes we need. And what are the technique of usage of interproximal brush? So interdental brushes of any style are inserted through interproximal spaces and moved back and forth between the teeth with short strokes. This is the movement back and forth with short strokes, and it is inserted through the interproximal spaces. For the most efficient cleaning, the diameter of the brush should be slightly larger than the gingival embrasure to be cleaned. If we need efficient cleaning, most efficient cleaning, then we use the more diameter of brush than the gingival embrasure is used, and this size permits bristles to exert pressure on both proximal tooth surfaces and working their way into the concavities on the roots. This is why we use larger diameter of brush, because it is more efficiently cleaning the surfaces, proximal surfaces. And single tufted brushes provide access to furcation areas or isolated areas of deep recession and work well on the lingual surfaces of the mandibular molars and premolars. These areas are often missed when using a toothbrush. So types of interproximal brushes: one is single or unitufted brush and other one is small conical brushes. So single or unitufted brush and small conical brushes. These are the two types of interproximal brushes or interdental brushes or proxa brush. So small conical brushes, they are mainly used to clean large irregular concave tooth surfaces adjacent to wide interdental space. So where we use small conical brushes? Mainly used to clean large irregular concave tooth surfaces in the large interdental spaces. So next, moving on to unitufted brush. It is also called as single tufted brush. What are the uses? Unitufted brush is efficient for removal of plaque in numerous sites. These include wide open embrasure where papilla has been lost, and around dental appliances including implants and orthodontic appliances. So if we use or we have implant or orthodontic appliances, we can use these unitufted brushes to remove the plaque efficiently. So these are the uses, and other uses are furcation areas that have been exposed because of gingival recession or periodontal surgery, mesial and distal surfaces of the teeth adjacent to edentulous spaces including the distal and the last molar in each quadrant. So if there is a missing teeth, then we use these type of brushes to clean the mesial and distal surfaces of the distal surfaces that adjacent to the edentulous spaces. And method of usage, they are inserted interproximally and are activated with short back and forth strokes in between the teeth. So first we have to insert it between the interproximal area and do back and forth strokes. So this picture showing use between the front and back teeth. So inserted the interproximal brushes between the teeth and do back and forth stroke